each and everyone present here in this morning assembly. Respected Father, members of the teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and all my dear lovely Bosconians. Myself, I render Anandi of class 6 is standing here in front of you all as the host of today's morning.
Teachers and others, everyone, what is it? So my life and my members, and then my boss, and your proceeding on.
Until the end of the year, on this day in 1535, the Governor revealed the first complete river to the complete head in English is rendered. On this day in 1824, Mexico becomes a republic. On this day in 1949, Union National Private University Mark Whiter is Denmark. Present in the morning assembly, I am going to standing in front of you to read out the news headlines of last 24 hours. Beginning with the international news, more than 100 persons found dead in Brazil amateur. One Israeli scientist is in Nargile. India is cooperating UK for some national news. Cabinet approves Tennessee regulation for CUTS. ATF hands over first LCA tenders swing setters aircraft to IAF. New Jersey will be taken chief says Operation Sardines. Sikkim for 23 Army personnel missing Operation Artillery in process. Said by ATF Dakar. With this thought, I very warmly pleasure to call to each and everyone present in the beautiful morning assembly. Respected principal, teachers, and all my dear Bosconians. Myself, Chandra from class 6 standing in front of you all to deliver a short speech on the topic human rights. Human rights are the basic rights and freedom that belongs to every person in the world. Every person can enjoy the rights from birth until death. Human Rights Day is observed by the international community by each year on 10 December. On 10 December 1948, the General Assembly of United Nations declared the 13th basic all-round development of humans. Human rights include the right to life of liberty, freedom from slavery, total freedom of opinion, expression, the right to work and education, and many more. Everyone is entitled to this right without any discrimination. Human rights protect us in our everyday lives regardless of who we are, where we live, and how we choose to live our life. They are important because no one should be abused or discriminated. Everyone will have the chance to develop. Besides this, human rights understand, represent, recognize, and also protect the dignity of all the human beings. At last, before I end my speech, I would like to say that to deny people their human rights is to challenge their very humanity. With these few words, I would like to end my speech. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. This was the day. Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. Thank you.
I take this opportunity to appreciate our class 6 video for the assembly. It was good, so prepared well to continue to do it. He was the first person to bring individual gold medal to India in the Olympics. Before that, we got gold medals in hockey and other team events, but individually, he was the first person to get a gold medal in 2008 Olympics. And he was also a young person, handsome, coming from a very rich family. He could also just enjoy his life, roaming around with friends and just doing ordinary things and things like that. But then he decided to focus on something that he would be remembered forever. And that was the reason. As soon as he got a chance, he focused on shooting and spent hours and hours in practice and concentration. After winning also, that was the thing he said. It is not a magic, it is simply hard work, practice and concentration.
Honesty is the best policy. With this thought, I do that from class 6 wishing you all a very beautiful morning. Respected principal, member of the teaching staff, and all our dear Bosconians. We know that prayer is the best way to communicate with God. So people who are